Alright, imagine this. You're outside on a clear night, and you start gazing up at the stars and you start thinking, how far does this go? Where does it end? And then, boom, existential crisis. Are we just tiny specks in an endless void? Is space infinite? And most importantly, will this thought keep me up at 3 a.m. in the morning again? Well, let's take a trip to find out. And to be fair, by the time we're done, your brain might just hurt a little. Let's start small, like really small. You're here, Earth. It's a nice blue rock, floating around the sun at about 67,000 miles per hour. Really fast, right? Well, that's nothing compared to how fast space itself is expanding. But we'll get to that in a minute. Now, Earth is part of our solar system, which is part of the Milky Way galaxy. A single galaxy among billions. But how far does that actually stretch? Right now, we can see about 93 billion light years across. That means the furthest light reaching us today has been traveling for nearly 14 billion years, according to science. Now, here's where things get interesting. Depending on what you believe, the age of the universe might be up for debate. From a Christian perspective, many believe God created the universe much more recently, possibly thousands of years ago. Science, on the other hand, with some newer research that came out not too long ago, states that the universe is about 26.7 billion years old. Whichever you believe, one thing's for sure, this place is huge. Now, here's where things can get kind of weird. The universe is expanding, like really fast, but what's beyond the part that we can see? Is there an edge? Do we eventually hit some sort of cosmic "you've reached the end of the map" sign? Nope, at least not that we know of. Scientists believe the universe goes far beyond what we can observe, possibly hundreds, thousands, or even millions of times larger. Some even say it could be infinite. So is the universe actually infinite? Well, let me call NASA and figure it out. Hey NASA? Yeah? Okay, so nobody knows? Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, nobody knows. Some models suggest that space just keeps going forever. Others say it might loop back on itself in some weird fourth dimensional way, meaning if you traveled far enough, you'd eventually end up right back where you started. But whether infinite or just really, really big, one thing is certain, our universe is beyond anything that we can truly comprehend. And that should be humbling. Whether you see it as an incredible work of a creator, or a bunch of cosmic pieces coming together over billions of years, the universe is a masterpiece. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. Whether we find its true size or not, one thing is sure, there's always more to explore. If you found this insightful and you would like to learn more, then definitely check out this video that I made right here on astrophysics. My name is Parker Seymour. This has been Seymour Universe, where we're here to see more of the universe.